Hello, crafting enthusiasts. Welcome back to our origami workshop. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the creation of a unique and stylish accessory, a hand watch crafted from $3 bills. If you're ready to embark on this folding adventure, grab your bills and let's get started. Begin by taking one of your dollar bills and perform a valley fold, folding it in half from the bottom to the top. Open it up to reveal the starting point. Now, turn the bill over. Locate the center line of the eagle image and execute a mountain fold on the right edge. Unfold it. And fold the upper edge to the side edge. Repeating on the opposite side. Next, mount and fold down the tip. And address any redundant small edges by folding them up. Rotate the bill clockwise to form a square. Execute a square fold by bringing the tip down to the bottom edge. And unfold. Along the existing creases, fold the tips to meet the edges, shaping the square. Now, grab another dollar bill to fashion the watch band. Valley, fold it in half. Unfold and Valley fold the two edges to the center crease. Rotate it 90 degrees, cross-fold the corner to the center. And fold down with the margin as a guide. Create a square fold. And cross-fold the lower edges up. Turn the bill horizontally. Fold the two edges to the center. And open it. Insert the pieces together to adjust the band size. Now, it's time to secure the watch and band. Insert the band tip into the watch tip. Gently curve the band for a snug fit. And repeat on the other side. Make any necessary trims to perfect your origami masterpiece. And there you have it, your very own dollar bill hand watch. A stylish accessory crafted with creativity and precision. I hope you enjoyed this folding adventure. Until next time, happy crafting!